Hey! Welcome back, manufacturing and distribution lovers. If you remember, in the previous video, we talked about shop floor. What is, who is for, and the benefits of connecting planning with execution on the shop floor. But today, we're taking it one step further and putting everything into action. How? I'm going to walk you through how to process a manufacturing order inside shop floor and see how this tool makes shop floor execution fast, clear, and fully traceable. So, if you thought assembling your nightstand was complicated, wait until you see how shop floor keeps all this perfectly organized. Processing a manufacturing order means guiding an order from creation to completion, validating every step, logging time and quantities, and ensuring each operation is correctly executed at every work center. Are you ready? Let's dive in. But before jumping into the shop floor, we need to set up the manufacturing order. First, we need to go to the manufacturing app and on the header select products and then on the options available, select products again. What we have to do next? We have to choose the product that you want to manufacture and click the smart button that takes you to its bill of materials. Here, browsing through different tabs, you will see all required components, the operations needed to complete the manufacturing order, the work centers where they are performed, in our case, assembly and painting, any operation dependencies. For example, we could see here painting can start until assembly is finished. And if we enter here to the taken list, we will see step by step the work instructions. Yes, it may look like a giant puzzle, but don't worry, shop floor makes sure you don't lose a single piece and it keeps everything simple. Once you have reviewed your bill of materials, it's time to create your manufacturing order. And now, without leaving the manufacturing app, we go back to the header and select Operations, then Manufacturing Orders, and finally, we click on New. Here you define the product and confirm the order, but depending on your manufacturing setup, that can be one-step process where everything is handed automatically if stock is available, or it can be two or three-step process where a transfer order is automatically generated to move components to a production location. In our case, we have a two-step process, so we have to click transfer that is here located at the top of the manufacturing order and then validate the transfer. So now the components are available and the manufacturing order is ready to begin in shop floor. And in addition, believe me, copy the manufacturing order reference number. We will use it in a moment to stay organized. And now, the moment we have all been waiting for. We open the shop floor app. By default, you will only see manufacturing orders that are ready to start, thanks to the filters to do and ready. We like clean dashboards, no chaos. So we can also filter by the manufacturing order reference number that we have copied earlier. That way, we isolate the exact order we want to work on. Next, we click the smart button for the first work center the product needs to go through, assembly for example. Before starting, click the manufacturing order header to launch the timer. This tracks the actual time spent on the order at that specific work center. Then complete the steps one by one, validating each task as you go. Every validated steps ensures the operation is properly executed and recorded, giving you full traceability and process control. Once all steps in that work center are completed, a Mark as Done button will appear, and then click it to move the order to the next work center. As the order disappears from the current center, you will see an undo button, just in case you need to reverse a last-minute action. After finishing all the required steps in the assembly work center, the order automatically moves to the next one. It's like magic, but without the glitches. In our case, it moves to the painting work center, and then we repeat the same process. We validate each step and click Mark as Done. Once all operations are validated, a Close Production button appears, allowing you to fully complete the manufacturing order and move on to the next one. And that's how shop floor makes processing a manufacturing order be simple, structured, and fully traceable, allowing to have every step validated, real-time tracking, clear workflow from one work center to another, and full control of a production execution. If finishing a manufacturing order used to feel like a headache, now it's as easy as checking a box. So it's your turn to try it. Visit fortflow.cloud and download shop floor and get ready to take your production plan to the next level. And we are not done yet. In the next video, we'll explore additional actions you can perform within a manufacturing order, like modifying orders, adding or scrapping components, creating quality alerts, and much more. So stay tuned and grab your coffee. We are continuing with shop floor. See you in the next video.